Dean here with I Buy Cool Stuff. So I've had a few people join my channel and I thank them for that. And I didn't understand it until I got thinking about it after I've had a couple people join. So I think I'm going to offer some videos. Some days with certain companies like YouTube, they're not all that 2A happy and they don't always like all the things I do. So sometimes I upload a video and they demonetize it. So I'm thinking, and then like this past weekend, I shot um, 3 gun shows and a follow up from the gun shows. So I've got 4 videos that I shot yesterday. If I keep loading the videos, uh, I'm done processing them and they are uploaded, but they're all private right now. So I'm thinking about when I load multiple videos, making them members only to begin with, and then releasing them. And some of the other sketchy things, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes they demonetize things for silly reasons. And I think them, and I don't release them because they're not going to show them to us because they don't make no money off of them. So I think things that I get that are demonetized that I can't fix, and when I load a bunch of videos all at once that are, I'm going to pass out over the next couple weeks or week or so, I'm going to make them members only. So the members will be able to watch them early, but they should get regularly posted. And some things that would not get monetized that a lot of people wouldn't watch anyhow and won't help the algorithm for people to see our stuff, I'm going to load them for members only. So just giving you guys all a heads up. Not going to keep anything from anybody that YouTube isn't already keeping from you. And if you just like watching the videos, if you want to watch them early, go ahead and hit the membership. It's cheap. But I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start when I get multiple videos loaded at once. I'm going to start making them members only and then release them to the general public when appropriate. So, all right. Like I always say, God bless you. God bless America. Go out there, find some cool stuff. Promote our 2A rights. Like, comment, subscribe, and pray for our troops.